Time for an unboxing. We are at the Honda dealer where a new CB1000R is just here with us, and we have to get it out of the box. It's a brand new bike built by Honda. It's inspired by the Neo Sports prototype unveiled at the Tokyo Motor Show, and we've seen it already at the Milan show last year. But I can't wait to put my hands on it. Let's get started. This bike is a brand new design, a new frame, a new swing arm. Only the engine was borrowed from the older CB1000RR that was launched back in 2006. But now it comes with a bit of updates like ride-by-wire, throttle, riding modes, and it still has a lot of power for a naked bike. It comes with 143 horsepower. Time to get it out. Oh my god, she is looking so good. Oh my god, how lovely this dash looks. This is a new dash. It's an LCD unit with a bit of a minimalistic touch. I love it, I love it. I love the handlebars. Oh my god, and this Honda red looks just like a candy. It's lovable. The frame is completely new, the swing arm is completely new, and although the engine is a bit older, this new CB will be for sure the bike that many will choose as a street bike. It's lovable. It looks very good. I love the tank. I love the way the lines blend together. I like the headlight a lot. For me, it's the right package. It's the bike that I dreamt a lot of time to build by myself, and Honda did it for me. I can't wait to get it out and give it a go, but first I have to take it out from this cradle. And for this part, I'm in desperate need of help. We need to lift the cradle up in order to get to the bike. Can you help me, please?
Yes.
Ridică ușor în sus, mai sus, mai sus, mai sus. Dă-te în dreapta. And here she is. The most beautiful naked bike of the moment, in my opinion. This, ladies and gentlemen, is the CB1000R. I'm already starting to see the details, like this Showa fully adjustable fork. I know that the rear shock is also fully adjustable. I can get enough. We have to check if the oil is inside the engine, all the fluids are inside, and then we'll give it a go. But before that, we have to check what's inside the box. Every time we get a new bike, there's a box near it, and we'll have to unwrap this one too in order to check out the containing. Some bolts. This one might be from a foot peg or something, or from the handlebar holder. Okay. User manual. There's also some. Oh, the mirrors. Check out the mirrors. The shape, I think it's borrowed from the CB650F. Some seals and some rubber cushions, I don't know for what. The plate holder. This is a toolbox over here. These are some joints and bolts. I don't know what it is. Okay. And this is, I don't know what. What is this? I don't think it's for the plate holder. I don't know. I'll have to check the manual, the user manual, in order to find out what are these for. We have the keys, but I think that we need to plug the battery first. Hopefully it's easy to find it. It should be underneath this saddle or over here. So here's the battery. Look at this ABS unit. Look how small it is. We have the bolts over here near the battery. We'll get it out in a second and then we'll give it a go. So positive and then negative. So the battery is connected. I will now check the oil level. It should be somewhere around here. It's filled with oil. From what I know, it already has a coolant in it. I can see the small coolant tank. They found a nice solution for it. It's just in between the mounting points of the string arm. Now, let's see how the dash lights up. Let's bring it to life. Oh my God, it looks very, very good. Very cool. This is a cool looking bike. There's a very nice grunt coming from this engine. I like it. One of the major improvements for this CB1000R is the throttle-by-wire system that allows you to change the riding modes. You can switch between user, sport, standard and rain, which is very helpful. Also, there's a traction control system and an engine brake and power modes that can be switched. They all have 3 stages and you can play with it. So safety is ensured by all of them, which is a cool fact because when you're talking about a bike with over 100 horsepower, you need this safety net that comes with the traction control and rider aids like riding modes and power modes. So very cool update for Honda. Listen up to this engine. Let's check the grunt. There's a lot of nerve coming from there. Can't wait to test it. Can't wait to get it out of here and test it on the road.